Season's greetings, friends, from the Family Fare Kitchen. It is baking season. It is celebration season. We've got Lauren and Joanna here to give us the lay of the land. We're going to start with the baking because it's time. It's time to get in that kitchen and start whipping up those traditional holiday favorites. And you guys are helping us do that.
We are, and we have all the baking ingredients you could need at Family Fare and the Our Family brand. And even better, they're all on sale this week.
Okay, perfect. So let's go down the line. I mean, you guys kind of compare, you know, the name brand to the Our Family brand. It's a significant savings.
It is. It's a great savings. I mean, our 5-pound flour and our 2-pound brown sugar this week are on sale for $1.99. Our granulated sugar is on sale for $2.49. It's really, really great baking deals. You got to take advantage of them while you can.
Absolutely, absolutely. Get all of the things, stock up, and bake all season long. Okay, Joanna, and you guys make it so easy for all of us, whether we're hosting, whether we're going somewhere, you will do the work right here.
Yeah, we can save you some time with our pre-order trays program. So everything from breakfast, we have bagels and cream cheese here, but we have a couple different options for breakfast or snack plates. So we have some fruit and dip here, a bunch of different veggies and their dip, and then also some meat and cheese variety trays that you can choose from. And then everybody's favorite, cookie trays as well. Again, whether you're hosting or going somewhere, super easy option. You can either call our Family Fare deli or bakery or go in store and they'll help you choose something that works for your gathering, and then you can pick it up in 2 days.
Wonderful. So yeah, you can change the sizes, mix and match, do what you want.
Sizes. Yep.
Okay. So you can walk in and be like, I don't know what I want, and someone will walk you through the process and help you figure that out.
Totally.
Right?
Yes, we have everything for you.
Okay. I mean, it's a built-in party. I mean, all of this is perfect. Easy, easy peasy, and you know it's always going to be good. I think I want one of those cookie trays, right? I mean, kind of cheating a little bit, right? But it's also, 'tis the season of giving, and you know, people don't always think that this would be a great place to pick up gifts for the people that you love in your life. So let's talk about what we can find.
Yeah, we have all kinds of great products through the Finest Reserve brand. So we launched that brand about 2 years ago, and there are so many great gifting options. You can see out here we have our preserves and jellies. There's a lot of really great flavors. Whether you're looking for something with a little kick, we have a habanero pepper jelly. Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, yeah.
But they're all really great for gifting. That's the nice thing. And we have the new chocolate bars. I'm personally gonna be shopping for a lot of those for my family. They make the best gifts.
Yeah, and stocking stuffers. They're beautiful too. I mean, I don't know if you, I mean, these are just stunning.
Gorgeous. And they're all made with Belgian chocolate. It's the best of the best.
Wonderful. Yeah, and this is a great place to find inspiration. You talk about the habanero jelly. You can do that, throw that in with some cream cheese, make a dip. I mean, you guys have all kinds of inspiration in store and online as well.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right, so what do people need to do to be ready for the holidays?
Yeah, well, first head over to shopfamilyfare.com and find your local store, call them, order your trays, but then either place an online order or come into your store and shop these products or explore some new recipes on our website.
I love that. You can find the recipes, shop online. How about that, friends? You can just order all the things, drive up, pick it up, be on your way, and get to baking.
Easy.
Love it. Thank you, ladies, so much. Happy holidays to you.